Hi, my name is Edward from Leleshwa Wines, and today I'm at Green Spoon Studio Kitchen, and I'll be showing you how to make Leleshwa Dawa using our Leleshwa Vodka. Our ingredients for today are Leleshwa Vodka. We have lime, and we also have honey and some ice cubes. We begin with slicing up the lime, and we have our lime ready. Next, we pick our lime and put into our serving glass to muddle. Apply some energy as you muddle to extract the juice from the lime. Now we are through with the muddling, so we have to sieve out the content. We are now sieving out the juice from the rest of the content. We now have our lime juice ready. Next, we are going to mix our honey, pick our honey and mix with the lime. So depending on the serving, as I said, this is 1 piece of lime. Based on your serving, I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of honey. We're going to stir up the content to get a perfect blend. Next, we get some ice cubes. You can put as much as you want. Pick up chilled Leleshwa drink. Use your measuring cup to do 60 ml of your Leleshwa vodka. That would be enough for this serving. Then you stir the content. You can taste this out using a straw. You can dip a straw, then taste it out, or simply pick some few drops of the same. And the serve is ready to drink. And that's how we make Leleshwa Dawa. So with me, we have Tale from Green Spoon, who will be testing out the Dawa. So how are you, Tale?
I'm good. How are you, Edward?
Very well.
Yes, I am excited, I must say. So,
Karibu sana.
Asante, Edward. I like the presentation. It's quite simple. With this lemon over
The
here.
garnishing.
Yes. So, yes, let's do it. Ni tamu sana. It's really nice. I can taste some honey.
Yes.
I can taste some lemon, of course. And then I love the way it's now crispy because of the ice. Everything is just doing its thing well. Nothing is overpowering the other.
Asante sana. I'm glad you liked it.
Good job.
Asante. Asante.
Karibu.
And remember, you can get all our products, Leleshwa products, from Green Spoon. They are all listed in their online shop. Asante and kwaheri.
This is mine now. Thank you.
Asante.